Since the beginning of the domestication, dogs have been a part of the human world. Because of their instinctive guarding ability, they are used to protect livestock and even as police dogs or even as house pets performing tricks. Noticeably intelligent creatures, dogs surely do make great and loyal companions. Although often described as man's best friend, these creatures weren't naturally designed to interact with humans. From time to time, there have been reported instances of dogs attacking owners or other people. Although extreme cases are rare, it is still important that we are aware of the dangers and responsibilities of having dogs. The following is our list of the 10 most powerful dog breeds in the world. Number 10. German Shepherd. There are various studies that have proven that German Shepherds have a tendency to attack smaller dogs. German Shepherds have been known to display unwarranted aggressive behaviors with owners too. In many cases, this is a result of abuse or a lack of poor training. They are hugely popular, in fact, the second most popular in the USA behind only the Labrador. Studies have shown that German Shepherds are the third most intelligent dogs. That's why these are used in police department as a police dog. When they do attack, they attack with a bite that has a force of over 1060 newtons. The breakers of the law have to stay vigilant at all times, or better, even stop committing crimes. Number 9. Perro de Presa Canario. The Perro de Presa Canario is a mastiff breed from the Canary Islands. These strong-willed and dominant dogs possessing a large imposing frame, the Perro de Presa Canario was originally bred from working livestock. Known as the Canarian catch dog in English, this breed requires obedience training from young. They also need to be socialized. If they aren't given proper attention, they can show an aggressive side to them towards strangers and other dogs. The Presa has a massive head, heavy rectangular body, and a short coat and brindle, black, fawn, or any combination of those colors. In communities and countries with breed bans, this dog is often among the breeds that are outlawed. Number 8. Doberman Pinscher. Dobermans are loyal, smart, and strong. They make excellent pets and formidable guard dogs. Owning a Doberman Pinscher is a truly unique experience. It's very common to be approached by other people out in public who want to talk about a beautiful, proud, noble-looking dog. However, a poorly trained, previously abused or anxious Doberman may become aggressive. Due to his large size, muscular build, powerful chest, proud body posture, and aggressive behavior, Doberman is potentially dangerous. Their behavior with strangers is definitely not that good. The last reported case of death caused by a Doberman in the States took place in 2011 when a Doberman killed its owner, an elderly woman. Number 7. Husky. Primarily known as sled dog, the Husky is closely related to the Malamute. Huskies have plenty of energy to spare and are energetic dogs. They are not meant to be pets and are wired to work round the clock. You would wonder if the phrase "work like a dog" was coined because of a Husky's work ethic. Between 1979 and 1998, Huskies were responsible for 15 mauling deaths in the United States. With the right approach and training, you can make them become more friendly and calm. But poor socialization and training will surely turn them into aggressive and dangerous dogs. Number 6. Wolf hybrid. These dogs evolved from wolves through a centuries long process of domestication. This breed is particularly unpredictable and extremely skittish. There are a lot of inherent dangers in breeding a wild animal with a domestic one. In fact, many states have even taken safety measures to ensure that no one owns a wolf hybrid by making it illegal. Owners are required to possess the same type of permits and caging as for a wolf. In other states, hybrids are regulated as dogs, needing only proper vaccinations and licenses. In between 1979 to 1998, the CDC reported 14 deaths in the United States caused by wolf hybrids. Due to the shy nature of wolves, hybrids usually make poor protection dogs. Aggressive tendencies, if any, in the hybrid may be fear-induced and, as such, can be unpredictable and hard to control. Number 5. Tibetan Mastiff. Tibetan Mastiff requires constant attention from their owners, or else they grow up to be ill-bred and aggressive. Also known as puffy lion dog, Chow Chow has dissonant skills against strangers. The Tibetan Mastiff is one of the most primitive dog breeds on earth. This is the most dangerous of all dog temperaments and it is widely common in the Tibetan Mastiff. This dog is overprotective over his territory and his family and won't willingly allow people into his home and yard. They were culpable for 238 fatalities from 1979 to 1988 in the States. Of course, they require constant physical activities to keep their aggressive nature at bay. Number 4. Rottweiler. The Rottweiler is a steadfast, friendly, and affectionate dog. Yes, this is a medium-large dog with imposing looks, but as long as he is treated and trained with care, patience, and consistency, the Rottweiler will return the love given to him. But according to the data provided by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Rottweilers were responsible for half of all deaths caused by dog bites in the United States between the years of 1993 and 1996. That data speaks volumes about the breed's aggressive nature. There have been instances where Rottweilers have attacked and bitten their owners. Strong beyond belief, a Rottweiler's bite can measure up to 1,460 newtons. Number 3. Cane Corso. The Cane Corso is a working dog who absolutely loves having a job to do. This olden Italian dog breed was developed to guard property and hunt big game such as wild boar. Although these are purebred dogs, you may find them in the care of rescue groups or shelters. Remember to adopt. Don't shop if you want to bring one of these dogs home. Cane Corsos are powerful and athletic, best suited to experienced pet parents who have large, securely fenced yard. They will definitely need their humans to give them a task. Otherwise, they may find their own ways to reduce boredom, probably with destructive behavior. If you can give your dog plenty of space, exercise, and training, then this may be the breed for you. Number 2. Belgian Malinois. Often mistaken for a small German Shepherd, these herding dogs are highly intelligent and energetic. Their nature makes them excellent guard dogs and police dogs. However, they can also be aggressive, especially with small children and other animals. They have a bite force of 195 psi as well. Number 1. Pit Bulls. Pit Bull type dogs make outstanding canine citizens and are loving companions in millions of US households. They consistently achieve excellent temperamental scores, are successful as service dogs, therapy dogs, canine police dogs, and as family pets. While the term Pit Bull is a generic term used to loosely describe a type of dog based on its physical appearance, resembling any middle-sized dog with physical characteristics from any of the numerous bully type breeds. Pitbull type dogs are growing in popularity and are by far the most popular strong breed dog in the US. In fact, an estimated 20% of dogs in the US can be classified as Pitbull type dogs.